Welcome to the video number 9 of the simple 3D modeling with Siemens NX. We got back-to-back simple models, really nothing groundbreaking. We select our plane. We're gonna use profile, start our model, go here, we switch to arc, go up, switch to arc again, now that we're certain that everything's alright, we see we have two holes, so we select circle, add them real quick. As far as size goes, this one is 25. This one is 20. The radius of this one is 22. And the radius of this is 25. As far as height goes, we have 105 here and 155 here. We see we have two movable curves. Pretty much it's 50 here, but we gotta say it is, just so it knows. And now our sketch is fully defined. We press finish. We can extrude it. It's 30. We got one edge blend right here with the radius of 40, so we add it real quick. 40. There we go, apply. And we can hide our datums and sketches. And the model is finished.